Another good question is, should I do repairs before we sell? So that is always an option that I present to sellers, is we can get an inspection before we go ahead and go on the market. We can see if there's issues with the HVAC, see if there's hail damage you weren't aware of. Those big ticket items are really the things that we want to look at first so that we can fix them, because they're ultimately going to be on that repair request anyway. So let's go ahead and handle it first. That way, when they come through the inspection, there's really nitpicky things like splash blocks on the bottom of your downspouts or nail pops, little things that a seller is not really required to do. What we do want to make sure of is those large items are taken care of, and it's not going to be a problem for the buyer feeling like they've got cold feet because there's some hail damage on your roof, which we can obviously take care of beforehand.
I appreciate your time, guys, and remember, with Delisle Properties, luxury always comes standard.